You like guess? This is not guess. No, this is DKNY. Di kanya. So, how old are you? Where are you? Yeah, what old are you?
22.
22. Oh, that's nice. Where did you birth? Wala pa kailangan. Inumin lang. Where did you birth?
Born?
Yeah, birth. It's the same. Damn it. Where did you burn? Where did you burn?
Pablo City?
San Pablo City. Oh, where is there?
It's out there somewhere.
Oh, really? In Laguna? You get? So, what age will you get there near?
What?
How young will you go there in New York?
5 years old.
5 years old? So, 5 years old, mine's 22 in 17 years already.
I guess.
Don't guess. You're not sure? You're drunk? Oh, no, don't worry. I'll take care of you. Later. Oh, matat. Ako matat na tatleng. Nena. Hey, don't mind my Junjun, ha? Mind your own. Okay. Did you school? Did you not? Did you school there? Did you not?
What school? St. Joseph's, St. Joseph's.
St. Joseph? In Rodriguez? No, did you use high school? Did you college? Ah, naman, did you? Oh. Tapos na kasi kaya past tense, oh? Matong mo? Hindi nyo alam ang what? Present participle, saka present tense, mga ganyan, past tense. No. Did you college there?
Storybook University. Storybook University.
Storybook University? What's this, nursery? Storytelling? Your course, storytelling? Storytelling?
Liberal arts. Liberal arts.
Liberal arts? Ano liberal arts? Ano? Liberal arts? Alam ko, nililito ko lang kayo. What? Can you say it again?
Liberal arts.
Learn. Here in the Philippines, liberal arts. Napunta lang doon, Martin na. Did you finish? Did you not finish?
Not yet.
Not yet. Me also, I didn't finish. But I like finish. High school. Sa high school? Yung mga ito? Yeah?
I'm still working on it. Whatever.
Hello, working student siya? Working, no. Is it your first time after 17 years? Your first time visiting Virginia?
Fourth time?
Fourth time. So how's your first time? Did it hurt? Because my first time, I choke. Then I burp. Who's with you when you go there? Who's with you when you go there?
Go there?
No, who's with you when you go there?
Go here?
Yeah. The babies.
Oh, my tito. That's my tito over there. My tita. That's my, that's my wife, you know.
Your wife? Did you marriage?
Yeah.
Where did you marriage?
Somewhere in, fucking, I don't know.
No! Later, we'll do that. Come on. No, where did you marriage?
Hey, somewhere in, you know, around here.
Oh, ano yun natin? Did you honeymoon already?
Yeah.
You entered? Like, okay ba? Okay? Wow. Binigay mo kita ng pin code? Sabi mo na binigay? So, when did you arrive in the Philippines? When did you arrive in the Philippines? Say for example, New York, plane, Philippines, blue, when? Kaya ako pa sarili ko. When?
December 20th?
December 20?
Yeah.
20 or 20?
20.
20. 20.
20.
Oh, yun, 20. So, may gawin ako din yun. For example, Philippines. May New York, blue, when?
January 20th. January 20th.
January 20. Yeah, 1 month.
Yeah, 1 month.
1 month. Also, what airlines will you fly for when you go there? Or flight in? It's up to you. What airlines?
Korean.
Korean?
Korean.
Oh, you should try the flag carrier here, which is Philippine Airlines. Because Philippine Airlines the best airlines. Yeah, they always on time. If they say they'll be late, they'll be late. Stick to their words. All flights. No, I can suggest another airlines. Asian Spirit. Because Asian Spirit, you will fly here as Asian and you will arrive in New York as Spirit. They have promo, prayers and candles. Hey, back there, New York. Have you ever tried that meat? Back there, New York. Have you ever tried that meat? Like me, baka. Man, have you ever tried that? Not yet?
I don't know.
No, there, back there in New York. Have you ever tried like me?
I'm sorry to say, I haven't yet.
Not yet? Oh.
I don't think I'm planning to.
No, you should try, especially me. Because my mouth works like a blender. I call you? Okay, give me any number. There's the phone. Oh, hindi. May isa pa din yata ito. Okay lang ha. No? Alam niyo mga kaibigan, pag ako naging tunay na babae, magpapalagay ako ng pepe. Pero hindi dito. Sa balikat. Para kahit saan pwede ako makipagtalik na hindi alam ng mga tao na kapaligid sa akin. Diba? Kunwari, nasa loob ako ng jeepney, kasama ko boyfriend ko. Play as if you're my boyfriend. We're inside the jeepney. You shoulder me. Aklayin mo ako. Naintindihan naman ako. Put there, yan. Move your fingers. Here. Move your fingers. Like that. Move. Mama, bayad Because my pepe, I will put my pepe here. Suso naman yun. You look good. Do you have any blood? Are you pure Filipino?
Yes. Take my mother. Take my mother.
Mother? Who's your mother? Where's your father?
Saya, Cebu.
Cebu? Guwapo. Do you like, am I beautiful?
I think you look pretty good. You know, I like your skin, very smooth.
This one also smooth.
Background niya.
Really? Do you like me? Guy, lagot ka. Kunwari na to. Do you like me?
Wala eh.
Sorry.
Do you like me?
Yeah, you're
Pangit. May kanta kasi.
It's me.
Wala ako ng instrumental.
Okay lang. Is that okay? What is the name of your wife?
That's shine. Sunshine.
Sunshine. Ano ba probinsya nito, guy? Kaya ba New York to? Sunshine. Sunshine. Kiss mo nga. Kiss mo daw. Okay daw. In America, they do that. Ismak. Only ismak. Okay lang, Andaya. Sunshine. See, Filipino people, they are very friendly. But once they don't get what they want, violent. Lagot ka. Okay. For video purposes only. You take the picture? No, another one. Your tita Ate. Ayusin mo. One more for your tita. Don't pass. Malapit na ako eh. Sarap ka? Hindi mo ka magalit! Last, please.
Yung next song.
Sino? Ano naman?
Yung next song niya.
Picture, go! Okay, picture.
Oo. Teka lang. Wala pa.
Picture mo ba? Hindi. Hindi